So this is a pair of Fiskar Sewing Scissors, and the lady said that she had somebody try to sharpen them and that they never cut well again, and I can tell by the angle on here it is just terrible. So we're going to test them and see if we can fix them. So let's test them on some cloth, and they will not cut. So let's sharpen them. So it took me a hell of a lot of grinding to get the angles correct on here again. But now they cut like sewing scissors should. So she should be very happy that I repaired these scissors, and she should never let the other sharpener touch these again because it was horrible.